do you want to see?
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog, guys. Yeah, I'm actually in a very big haste. Like, I need to head out like now, but I was like, I need to start a new vlog because today is sort of like a good day and I want to remember this day. So yeah guys, I'm going for a meeting. I don't think I can vlog there, but I'll try and vlog things that might not be too invading, if you get what I mean. But if I cannot, you guys understand, because this is actually like the first time I'm getting to meet everybody on this project. I've met some of them, but like we've not built that you get. So but hopefully you guys will get to know more about this project. I'm really excited. Yeah, but while I make my way over there, I'm going to roll some clips from way back. I'm talking when my sister wrote jump this year. Yeah, so I went with her. And then what else? A clip from when my mom got our importation from China this year. We're expecting another cargo soon, in fact cargos. And what else? I think a few clips that like I did not know where to put them, so you guys will just relax with those ones while I get to where I'm going to. Hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog and it's filled with some eventful interesting bits. But yeah guys, do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys when I see you. Okay. Mwah. Champion.
Last one, yes.
Good evening.
Alright,
Okay. Where are you?
You don't like the filter? Sorry. Mommy wants filter. No. on the beat, in the kitchen, doing nothing. This is how I'm praising myself. It's what every So guys, I just finished eating and I'm going downstairs. I hope you guys can hear me because the noise. I'm just outside. I went to pop up. Yeah, downstairs. I want to take the street photo. That's what it's saying now. Where are you sitting now? I didn't even see the way they're crossing. But you don't need me to watch now. So guys, currently working. Just got to the bus stop, but I'm walking because gotta work in here unless you want to take an Uber, but nah. It's saying 7 minutes and I'm hoping I'm on the right path. If not, kasala. But anyways, when I get there I'll let you guys know. I need to ask somebody if this is the right place, because what the Google map is telling me is different from what I'm seeing here. But let's just keep our fingers crossed, because I think I'm meant to cross over and make my way down. Anyways, when I get there I'll try and see if I can vlog. If not, peace. I'm looking for Olufunke Street.
Oh, yeah.
Yourself? For inside, is this Kudira Tabiola? The other, I'll go outside.
This road, just cross this road. Go like this. That's tapping that strength into that place.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Ah, no. As I suspected. So, guys, as I suspected and feared, I'm going the wrong way, so I've been redirected back to the main road. Apparently I'm not meant to cross into any streets. I don't know. At the end of the day, maybe I'll use this super last. But let's just be OP, because no, I want to defeat this thing. I must walk there because it's actually a form of exercise, and yeah, the roads are neat, so I'm not bothered. Guys, ignore how I'm looking right now. I don't know if you guys have been hearing what I've been saying. Should have used my earpiece, but Google Map is a scam. It says 7 minutes. Even if I want to fly, I will still not get there in 7 minutes. But yeah, I've actually located the estate, and the security man at the gate has given me direction to the venue. Apparently it's like a popular place, so even if it's not popular, he works here, so he has to know all the numbers and places and stuff. But yeah, He said go right, left, right. Even before he even gave me direction, I said, meaning, I mean for it though. Like the work I will do today. But, and I said, let me check Google Map again. Google Map is saying 2 minutes. 2 minutes? How is it? I'm sure it's not even 2 minutes. Like now, the checking I've done from the gate, it starts 2 minutes. Like, I don't know. Am I supposed to be running? Because I don't understand it. But anyways, guys, I'm making progress. The last time we met, it was not like a general meeting. It was just like meeting. It wasn't even a meeting. It was like for a shoot, a photo shoot. Last time we met, I was the first to get there. I was the first to get there. I wasn't feeling myself this time. I'm sure I'm the last. I'm sure I'm the last. But let me just give myself small hope, because I hate being the last, God. And I'm sure if I'm like last, they would have been disturbing me by now with calls, because you're the last. What are you doing? Maybe there are quite a number of us that have not gotten here. Guys, let me just concentrate because my hands is killing me already, and I had to hold it close so you guys will hear me properly. And I don't know, I'm repeating myself, but yeah. Oh, I think I've seen the building because I checked out the building on Google. So anyways, okay, this is the left, and then there's the final right. I hope so. And I also just saw the street name, so I'm on the right path. Yeah, and that's the building. You can see. I obviously cannot show you guys because I don't know if it's somebody's house. But yeah, guys, talk to you guys later. So guys, I'm here obviously. I've been at the meeting for it's currently almost 3. Yeah, give or take almost 3. I've been here since I got here to 11. You guys saw that. So naturally Nigerians don't like keeping to time, so of course we had to wait. The meeting started, let's say 2, 2, because we had to wait for all the cast and crew to be present. Yeah, so they are currently rehearsing. As I'm talking in this hushed tone and hoping that this earpiece is not messing with me. So yeah, they're currently rehearsing. Okay, so guys, I'm done with the call with my mom. Whenever I'm out, she always seizes the opportunity to get me to enter market, sha. But anyways, yeah, what was I saying? I don't really have much to say. Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. It's been nice. When I got here, I was the second person to get here. I met the continuity script supervisor on the project, and then we started speaking. Basically, we started like vibing and just like flowing basically. So, and I think that was partly because she's also a makeup artist. Like she's a makeup artist. Me, you guys know what I do. I don't really put myself out there as a makeup artist. Yeah, but she is, and that just like sparked the conversation. And then she's also a writer as well. Like, it's just nice to see that people also multitask like I do. So yeah, she's pretty nice. Everybody has been chilled. Like I've also had a moment with the costumier. She's also cool. I just remember that I never got to show you guys my outfits. But I'm wearing a cargo pants and a black top with this design here. Should I stand up to show you guys? Should I? Okay, I think I'll just do that briefly, and I want to end this vlog. So if you guys enjoyed it, even if you did not, please find it in your heart to give this video a thumbs up, share, okay, leave a comment, shoot me a DM on Instagram. You guys must have seen my handle somewhere on the screen. Of course, what is this one? Of course, do not forget to close this video without clicking on the subscribe button. You guys, we are praying, we are on 328 subscribers. Like, I got 2 more subscribers from my last upload. So yeah, keep on sharing my content, and I'll see you guys in another video. Let me just give you guys a quick look at my outfits.